Master the Rubik's Cube, a beginner's guide to solving it easily. The Rubik's Cube is a 3D puzzle with 6 colored faces, challenging for many beginners. Common challenges include understanding the layers and memorizing algorithms for solving. The layer method focuses on solving one layer at a time for a structured approach. Memorizing key algorithms is essential. Practice them regularly to improve your speed. Stay patient and practice consistently. Solving the cube becomes easier with time. Subscribe for more puzzle solving tips and tricks.